Did you know the African Grey Parrot is considered one of the most intelligent birds on the planet? Known for its incredible ability to mimic human speech and sounds, it can learn hundreds of words and even understand context. Native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa, this parrot has a striking gray body, a bright red tail, and piercing eyes. Some African greys have demonstrated problem-solving skills equal to a 5-year-old child. They form strong emotional bonds with their owners and need plenty of mental stimulation. With proper care, they can live for over 50 years. Unfortunately, due to illegal pet trade and habitat loss, they are now classified as endangered. Protecting them means preserving genius and feathers,